Buongiorno amici, welcome back to Love Heritage Food. Today I have an easy, quick and cheap recipe for you. Let's say you haven't got that much time and you fancy some protein and good carbs. Well, you can cook pasta with tuna. This recipe is for one person and takes about 15 minutes. You only need approximately 100 grams of chopped tomatoes, 1 can of tuna, garlic cloves, olive oil, 1 teaspoon of capers, salt and pepper, and of course the pasta. Fry the garlic with the olive oil in a pot, and when the garlic is nice and golden, add capers and tuna. Cover with the lid and cook this for about a few minutes. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook at a slow heat for about 10 minutes, while boiling the water in another pot to cook your pasta. While your sauce is cooking, check and add some salt. Now that your water is boiling, add the pasta. Add some salt and let cook the pasta as per your box instructions. Usually is around 8 minutes. Our pasta and sauce are both ready. Your pasta with tuna is ready to be served. Add some pepper. Buon appetito! Thank you for watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe to watch more of these recipes.